Now we go over the point, the not wal mudaf. The not wal mudaf. And the not wal mudaf is أين فصلكم جديد فصلنا جديد أمام مكتبتي. In this sentence, the not is jadidu. The mudaf is fasluna. Now you know previously when you go over mudaf ilayhi that the mudaf is that which is being possessed, the thing that's being possessed, and mudaf ilayhi is the possessor. Now the thing that's being possessed in the sentence is fasluna. And you know that the not is sifa, is the description. Jadidun. So in this structure only comes with when you have damirs on the noun. You won't have a regular sentence that say a faslu jadidun. That's not considered not wa mudaf. But when you add the damir to the noun, and then right after that comes a sifa, a description. Now this thing, if you break down the sentence grammatically, you will consider fasluna as mudaf and jadidun as not. It only comes when a damir comes in with a noun. You would not have a regular sentence faslu jadidun. That would not be considered mudaf, not wa mudaf. And also another characteristic of the sentence being not wa mudaf is that the sifa has alif lam. That the sifa has alif lam. But there are other sentences where the sifa does not have alif lam. And that example is min mudarrisukum. Mudarrisuna shaykhun. In this case, mudarrisuna is the mudaf, and the not is shaykhun. And see, shaykhun does not have alif lam. So in all cases, the sifa that the not does not have alif lam. But when it comes with a clear word, just a clear sifa, then the clear sifa has alif lam. Like for example, أين فصلكم جديد أين فصلنا قديم. أين فصلنا القديم فصلنا القديم أمام المكتب. When it's a clear sifa, when the word is clearly something that's a description, big, small, old, new, cheap, expensive, these clear sifas that's clearly known as sifas, then they have alif and lam. But if you have something like fasuna mudarrisun shaykhun, shaykh is a description, but it's not a clear description, like a clearly word that only thing it will be is a description. Only thing it will be is a description. Now shaykh can be used in other ways that's not a description. Shaykhun Isa, Sheikh Ubayd al-Jabari. In that sentence, you would not say that Sheikh is considered as a clear description. It's a title that Ubayd al-Jabari has. Sheikh Ubayd al-Jabari. It's a title. In that way, you're making it a title that the Sheikh has, that our brother Ubayd al-Jabari has. Sheikh, his title is Sheikh. So it wouldn't be considered as a sifa. But in that case, in that sentence, it's considered as a sifa. And the next and last point that this chapter goes over is ayyu, the usage of the word ayyu. And some examples of using the word ayyu is ayyu daftaru hadha. Which book is this? Hadha daftaru هذا دفتر مكتبتي وهذا دفتر كتابة. This is a writing book. في أي مسجد صليت في المسجد الجامعة. Now, the origin, the asl of the word ayu is that it has ayu. But if you have a harf al-jar that comes in front of it, it becomes ayi instead of being ayu. Ayi. In another way is ayya lugatan tuhibbu. Ayya lugatan tuhibbu. أحب لغة القرآن الكريم ولغة القرآن. So you have three, the ayu actually takes all three of the forms of i'rab. Ayu takes all three forms of i'rab: a dhamma, a kasra, and a fatha. Kasra, dhamma, or fatha. Now when the ayu comes in the form of mudaf, then it gets a fatha. When it comes in the form of mudaf, it gets a fatha, like the sentence I just said. Ayya lugatin. Ayya lugatin. Ayya now is in the form of mudaf. Ayy is the possess, and luga is thing that is possessing. It's possessing luga, the word luga. That's why luga has a kasr tanween. So this is the case that the ayy takes all three forms of i'rab. All three forms of i'rab that it takes. So this is what I had to cover dealing with lesson 14 of the Medina book. And as I always say in majority into all the classes, do the exercises, because the exercises give you more understanding of the chapter. And also there's an exercise which is exercise 5, which gives you a lot of words that are ajam, that are ajam. Exercise number 5 of Medina book 1, lesson 14. You will see that exercise number 5 gives you a lot of the different type of words that does not take a tanween, like Williamu, Edwardu, Londonu, Barisu, Pakistanu. And when we get to the end of chapters, these actual words that's other than the names, like Pakistan and Londonu and Edwardu, Yusuf, all these words has a different qaida to it, and we will discuss that qaida when we get to the ending chapters of Medina book 1. Anything that I said that was incorrect is from myself and the shaitan, and anything that I said that was correct, all praises due to Allah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk, wa akhiru da'wana.